Hello, my name is Mitchell Pearson, and I'm the Training Content Manager here at Pragmatic Works. I'm excited to talk about and announce our Power Apps course. Power Apps is a super exciting course, a lot of fun to work with, and today I want to give you 5 reasons why you should take this class. You should learn Power Apps because they're cool. Everybody has at one point or another wanted to build their own app. Whether it was taking an app that already existed and customizing it in some way so that it fits your needs, or if you just had a bright idea, a brilliant idea, and you're like, man, I really want to build that app. You've wanted to build an app at one time or another, and now with Power Apps, you can. Power Apps is a canvas-based application that requires no code or low code in order to build apps. What that means is that Microsoft has specifically designed this tool for the citizen developer. If you have any notions in your head that you have to be able to write a bunch of code in order to develop an app, get rid of it. Make those notions go away. You don't have to write any code. You can do everything through the UI because it's canvas-based, and they've specifically designed this tool for you, for everybody. So what little bit of code you do have to write is very much like Excel. You don't need to know .NET, you don't need to know JavaScript. All you need to know is the basics of writing functions in Excel, and even if you don't know that, you can learn it very quickly. We have Power Apps to solve a specific business problem that businesses struggle with every day. They need an application that's going to support their day-to-day operations. They need an application that's going to support their organization. And they're faced with a tough decision. Do we buy that application or do we build it? If we buy that application, then we're buying it from a one-size-fits-all company, and it doesn't meet all of our needs, but it's a simple solution. We buy it, we have it, and then we have to try to patch that in some way over time. And so it's not something that's going to scale over time, and there's usually some problems with that. The other option we're faced with is, do we build it? If we build it, it might take 6 to 12 months to build it, but it's highly customizable and it has everything that we need. But now we need a team of developers, right? We need those guys that know how to write all that code in order to build the app. And so most companies feel like they have that kind of lose-lose situation there between buying and building. However, with Power Apps, you can now build those apps that you need that are specifically designed for line of business applications to meet your organizational needs. You don't need a team of developers. They're very highly customizable, and you can get them up and running significantly faster than 6 to 12 months. So that's why we have Power Apps. This class is designed for really anybody who wants to learn how to build their own apps. Most of the time, you're going to be building these Power Apps to get rid of paper processes that are already there. So you're going to get rid of those paper processes, build those into your mobile device, build those into a tablet or a desktop application so that you can quickly enter that information, write it back to a database or a SharePoint list or an Excel file in OneDrive, all of those different things you can do very easily. And then you streamline that process, making it faster, making it more efficient. And because Microsoft has developed this tool specifically for the citizen developer, it's for everybody. So if this is something that interests you, it's something that you want to learn, maybe you want to learn it because that's specifically your job, or maybe it's just a new tool that you want to explore and have fun with, then this class is for you. By the end of this course, you're going to understand how to work with Power Apps. You're going to understand how to work with templates that are already created and make those templates your own using your data. You're also going to learn how to create your own apps from scratch, and then all the different customizations that are available to you within Power Apps, and there are a lot of them available to you. We're also going to take a look at quite a few different data sources. How do I connect to maybe SQL Server on-prem? How do I connect to a SharePoint data source as well as an Excel file that's located in OneDrive? So by the end of this course, you're going to know how to do those different items. Now, you've created those apps. How do I share them with others? We're going to talk about that. And then you're also going to understand how to work with version control, which is built in automatically with Power Apps. Those are some, not all, of the items that you're going to learn by the end of this course. Thank you.